Hey boys and girls, welcome back to part 2 of polygons. We're going to find the perimeter. So, the perimeter of a polygon is the sum of the lengths of all the sides of the polygon. So we're going to look at a bunch of shapes and we're going to find the perimeter. This is what I want you to do. Copy down from my notes, bam, like this. So perimeter of polygons is your title. The perimeter of a polygon, just like I just read, I'm copying it right from the notes as a good habit to have, is the sum of all the lengths of all the sides of a polygon. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So those are the two things you have to know about perimeter. Pause the video and write that down. Okay, cool. So then I copied 1, 2, and 3 from the examples. 1, 2, and 3 just from here. So the attached worksheet, 1, 2, 3. We're going to find the perimeter of all of those. All right, first things first. Perimeter, you have to add up all the sides. So in this case, this triangle, the perimeter is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 5. Very easy. It doesn't matter what order you put it in because 3 plus 4 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 4 plus 3. You're going to get the same answer. When you add, it doesn't matter the order. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Don't forget your units, 12 inches. So the perimeter all the way around the shape is 12 inches if you were to walk around the shape. Next, B. This one is a square. I know it doesn't have this, but I think it wants you to know that it's a square. So put those right angles in there. So all the sides are congruent of a quadrilateral and all the angles are congruent. So a regular quadrilateral is called a square. Now with this, you can do it two ways. So a square, you can add up all the sides. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 5s, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20 centimeters. Or you do 4 times the side. So with the square, there's a little special formula. You do 4 times the side, which is 4 times one of the sides is 5. 4 times 5 is also 20. So either way, so you can just add up all the sides, or you can, for a square, use the special formula, which is 4 times the side, which is the same thing you get. C, this is a rectangle. It should have these in it. This is what it wants you to think about. So put these in. So opposite sides are congruent because this is W, this is W. This is L, this is L. So if this is W, which is 2 feet, this width is also 2 feet. If this is 3 feet, the length, that's a cursive L, this is also 3 feet, like that. So one way to do it, never get it wrong, is just add up all the sides. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, like that. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 feet. Got it. Now with a rectangle, there's a special formula it wants you to consider. That's 2 lengths. So 2 of these, 2 lengths, this one, plus 2 widths. Like that. And then we get the same thing. 2 times the length, which is 3, plus 2 times the width, which is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Remember PEMDAS, you multiply before you add. And 6 plus 4 is 10. Same answer. So you can always just add up the sides, but with a square and a rectangle, you can use the special formula if that helps you. All right. Let's now go to our practice problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy these down in your notes right now. Go. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's do them. Here's my notes. Right here. All right, number 1, triangle. So I'm going to add up all the sides. 2.5 plus 3 plus 3.5. 2.5 plus 3 plus 3.5 is 9 centimeters. Got it. Okay, next is a square. So square, it tells you, so that means all the angles are right angles and all the sides are congruent. So this is 5.5 feet, 5.5 feet, 5.5 feet. Always mark up the picture like this. So the square, the perimeter, I'm just going to do 5.5 times 4. Why times 4? Because I have 4 equal sides with the square. Or I can do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I can do that if I want to. But I think multiplying is a faster way of adding, so that's what I'm going to use. 5.5 times 4 is 22 feet. There you go. So that's the perimeter. Next, number 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this is a pentagon. Now they're all different lengths, so I'm just going to add them up. 19 plus, doesn't matter what order you go, 27 plus 14 plus 24. Make sure you get all the sides though. That's a common mistake. So then I'm going to get my calculator. I'm going to add them up. 19 plus 27 plus 14 plus 24 plus 12. And I get 96. Don't forget your units, yards. 96 yards. Cool. Number 4, the star. So, sorry, the star's a little jacked up. I was drawing a little fast, but you kind of get what's going on. So only one side is marked. This is 1 centimeter. But I know the other sides. Why? Because they have this mark. This mark means they're congruent. So if this is 1 centimeter, what's this? 1 centimeter. What's this? 1 centimeter. So they're all 1 centimeter. So all I have to do is count up the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, trace it with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 equal sides. They're all 1 centimeter, so this perimeter is 10 centimeters. Got it. Nice. Okay, your turn, your turn. So you're going to do right here, see 7, 8, and 9. Draw these and figure out the perimeter of all these 3. Ready, set, go. All right, so we got 7, 8, and 9. Here's mine. So perimeter, 20 plus 18 plus 20 plus 40. Doesn't matter what order, because when you added it, you get the same answer. Order doesn't matter. 20 plus 18 plus 20 plus 40 is 98 yards. Bam. This one, 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is 20 meters for number 8. Ooh, let's try this. Let's see. This is 2, 4, 6. So if this is 6, this is also 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus another 10 is 32 inches. There you go. So that is 7, 8, and 9. Hopefully you got those right. Okay, last thing. Let's bump it up to this. Now a little bit more challenging to finish. So see 5 and 6, write that down. 5 and 6. All right. So it says find the length of each side of a polygon for the given perimeter. No problem. So the perimeter is 96 here. So I need to find x. So I need to find the length of this side. So it looks like this is a rectangle right here. So if this is x, this is also going to be x. Rectangle has opposite sides congruent, and this is 2x, like that. So what does this mean? Well, the perimeter is going to be 2x plus x plus 2x plus x. And the perimeter it already gives me is 96. So I'm going to solve this equation for x. And then I'll plug it back in, and then I can get the length of my sides. So let's do it. Let's combine like terms. 2x plus x, that's 3x. Plus 2x is 5x. Plus another x is 6x's. Divide by 6. 96 divided by 6 is 16. So x equals 16. Bam. So it wants the length of the sides. So the width here is going to be 16. The length is 2 times 16. So that's going to be 32. So the length is 32. The width is 16. And that perimeter is 96. Got it. All right, try this one, number 6. So see if you can find all of these. So the perimeter is 48 of this quadrilateral. See if you can do it just like we did here. Add up all the sides, have it equal 48. Go. All right, see what we got. So x, doesn't matter what order, remember, plus x, I always go this way, clockwise, plus 2x plus x minus 2 equals, that's all the sides added up, equals 48. X plus x is 2x, plus 2x is 4x, plus x is 5x, minus 2 equals 48. Add 2 to both sides, 5x equals 50. 5 times what is 50? That would be 10. Got it. So this side is going to be 10. This side is going to be 10. 2 times 10, this side is going to be 20. This side is going to be 10 minus 2, which is 8. There you go. Add those up. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus another 20 is 40. Plus 8 is, 48. Checked it. Got it. Good work, everybody.